Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the KB5 error code for Windows. And let's get straight into the video. So the first solution you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar, type in command prompt, right click on it, hit run as an administrator, and then go ahead and you enter this command sfc/scan now. Once it's entered, it will say verification beginning system scan, and just wait for that to complete. Now that is the first solution. Once that is done, that should fix the error code. Another solution you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar, going over to settings, and then from settings what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to system. From system, go down over to troubleshoot, and then go ahead and select other troubleshooters. From here you can go ahead and look for the Windows Update troubleshooter. You can go ahead and hit run, and then you can go ahead and follow this directions from there. And then once that is done troubleshooting, it should also help fix the issue because it will directly find your problem and it will fix that issue. Now once that is done, you guys should be good to go, and I also recommend restarting your PC as well. Also make sure that you can check for updates and make sure you are up to date. Now that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.